Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. It's your boy Lagman's Bro here, and we're here with Jacob, Tyler, and Aiden, and we're all gonna be eating like a fourth of the hot nut. Number 4, so last one left. So, Tyler, you're going first.
Can we do it at the same time?
No, we're not doing it at the same time, that's stupid.
My heart's beating.
Actually, let's all do it at the same time, yeah.
That's mine right there.
This one?
Yes.
I got the biggest one. Bro, I suck it. Which one's my glass of milk? This one? Okay, so we really haven't prepared for this, but yeah, it's probably gonna be a short video.
My heart's beating. Ready?
I don't know if they can even hear that.
3.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. He just went for it. I'm just gonna. Oh. You had 3.
I'm not eating. You see this? I'm not eating it all. Where are we going?
Look how red his face is.
Where are we going?
Bro, I'm nervous. Bro, it's hot, isn't it?
My legs are. Drink your milk. My legs are tingling.
Bro, all of us.
My legs are tingling. He said 3, 2. My legs are tingling.
Bro, I'm actually nervous.
You go, Toad.
I'm nervous.
My gosh.
Eat it. No. Oh, he ate it. Oh, no. He's not ready. Why are you pulling out your phone? Bro, I'm sorry. Bro, he's over here like 3, 2. Oh.
I don't even have it.
Don't even.
I'm not throwing up.
Bro, you're like eyes. If you're gonna throw up, go in the bathroom.
Don't even have it.
You're like dying. He's like his face like turning red. He's really tan. He's still turning.
Okay, I'll just go
Not
1 to
affecting
10.
me.
Well, I'll just go 1 to 10.
Your face
Bro.
is red too. You haven't even put it in your mouth.
I'm
Let's go
laughing.
1 to 10.
Oh, no. Bro, it's not even. He's like, it's not bad. Okay, Jacob, you go next.
No, you go. You go.
Rock, paper, scissors.
It's
Rock,
not
paper,
that bad.
scissors.
It's not that bad.
Rock, paper, scissors. It's only a fourth, so.
I ate it on my left side. My whole left. My right side.
That's the whole thing I do.
Oh no! Winner! You gotta eat it. Okay, here we go. Alright, I'm nervous. I only ate number. Don't touch my armpit. I only ate number 2 so far, so, I mean.
What level is this?
4.
You're kidding. Oh, I'm scared.
I'm scared.
My legs are.
I do it.
Don't touch your eyes. What are you doing? Are you like gagging?
I'm just kidding. I didn't even eat it. I didn't even eat it.
Oh, really?
No. I sure.
Alright, go. I can't feel my tongue.
You ready?
I can't feel my
I'm not.
I'm
nervous.
so nervous.
I'm nervous. Here we go.
Go. Dude, bro, I think
Oh, that's hot.
this actually
That's actually. It went down my.
Oh, yeah, it's hot.
You did that. You made fun of me. You said the same thing. When it goes down your throat.
I swallowed mine like instantly.
It's stuck in my braces. Bro, I did not swallow it, but my whole right side, dude, I'm actually about to cut my tongue off. My whole right side.
I can't swallow the milk. It's like.
Okay.
My throat.
The right side of my tongue. And it's stuck in my braces.
Bro, it's my throat.
Tyler just walked out. Are y'all gonna need more milk?
I'm cutting myself off. Ice in my throat. Sorry, help me.
This is a lot worse than the other one.
It's stuck in my braces still. This man's not even doing nothing, bro. It's stuck in my braces. Oh my gosh, I'm still getting it.
Milk just came out my nose. Hold on, over here. Guys,
I'm drinking some of that.
thank you for watching
No, stop.
the video. I'm not even. My eyes are burning. I think I'm gonna touch my eye.
You think you might have? You
I actually
did.
think. Oh, actually, it doesn't burn. But Yeah, I kind of snorted milk out my nose. And I mean, alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you're new. And turn on that bell.
I need milk.
Thank you for watching. See ya. Subscribe.
I have the rice on my tongue.
And the next one. Peace out.
Alright. I hereby stand Jacob, the husband.
Look at the camera.
Jacob, the husband. And Isaiah, the wife. Will you take this man in marriage? Yes. Will you take him in marriage?
Yes.
If he gets sick, will you stay with him? Yes. If he gets sick, will you stay
Yes.
with him? You may kiss the bride. It's not funny.